Hi there and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. An ugly day for the market today. We'll quickly look at SPY, a clear rejection right here at that 50-day moving average, coming on higher than average volume just before the Jackson Hole Symposium. And so it's not really a great market for trading, and nice looking charts are slim pickings right now, but there is one that we have an eye on at StockMarketMentor.com, and that's Diamondback Energy, ticker FANG. Diamondback is holding up nicely here along its 21-day exponential period moving average. We can see swing support down here, and we can see a clear higher low right here. And if I take out my slope tool, we have a nice downward sloping trend line. And so it looks like a bit of a daily flag here on the chart. And price action has been really nice and tight right around that 21-day EMA. And so Dan Fitzpatrick actually added this to our active trade list today. And we want to see if this stock can break out above this downward sloping trend line, coming on higher than average volume. So definitely one that I think you want to keep an eye on, even in this messy market. So I hope that video is helpful. Please give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And be sure and check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. I'll catch you next time.